Hi, I'm Tasman Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and training here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a natural baby oil. Now let's get into it. Now here I have all my phase A ingredients. The key to making a good baby oil is to pick some nice non-greasy, light, long-spreading esters. So I'm firstly going to pick some Lexifil Natural. This gives a nice light, long spreading feel. It's going to dry on the skin. It's not going to feel really greasy. You don't want your baby to be greasy and you don't want it to stain your clothes. That's why we're going to pick light spreading esters. And you also want to pick long spreading esters to make the product slip. Next I have some Miracle 318. This is a medium skin filled triglyceride. This is naturally derived, so I'm going to add this one. Next I have some Calendula infused oil I'm going to add. This is great for dry skin and it's also a good anti-irritant for dry skin. And I'm also going to add some chia seed oil. This is also great for dry and irritated skin. Next I'm going to add some tocopherol. You need to add an antioxidant when you have added some natural plant oils to prevent oxidation. So I'm just going to add this in there. I'm just going to give that a stir. Now you just pour it off and enjoy. Okay, so I've just put my oil into a little container. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Very nice and moisturizing, very emollient, but it's not overly greasy. It's actually got like a nice drier skin feel, but still feels really moisturizing. Now, if you enjoyed today's really easy video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you get notification on all our videos. Happy formulating!